Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends in Monopoly Go. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Monopoly Go application. Click on the friends option in the bottom right corner. There are two ways to add friends. First, if you click on contacts option and click on add contacts button, then you'll be able to add people from your contact. And the next option is to click on invite option. Then click on invite button and share the link so that people can join through that link. So that is how you can add friends in Monopoly Go. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.